Hello, in this class we will do some examples on functional dependence or independence of functions using Jacobian. Question number 1. If u is equal to x plus 2y plus z, v equal to x minus 2y plus 3z, w equal to 2xy minus xz plus 4yz minus 2z square, then show that U, V and W are functionally dependent and find a relation between them. So we have studied one rule earlier in the previous class that U, V and W could be functionally dependent if their Jacobian vanishes. Okay, so we can see, okay, we can do it. We can find out the Jacobian of U, V and W with respect to x, y, z, and that will be 0. So it's very simple to find out that. Okay, you know the procedure to find out the Jacobian. Okay, and this means that if Jacobian is 0, this means that these U, V and W are functionally dependent. So there must be some relation between them. So if we just see from here, we have to look into this, their forms, okay, their values, and we have to derive some relation. So if I see from here, if I do u minus u plus v, so 2y with 2y cancels, 2x plus 4z, okay, and if I do this minus also u minus v, then I am left with this part 4y minus 2z. So if we just multiply these two, we get 4 times of this. So this inside function, if I multiply it, I get this one. So this is my w. Okay, this is w. So we can see from here that w is equal to 1 upon 4 u square minus v square. So this is a relationship you have to know. Guess, you have to form it. You have to, okay, there is no concrete formula that this will be the relationship. This you have to see from this, the forms of these functions, that how this can be related. So this is the relationship between them. Okay, the next question is, let f1 equal to this and f2 equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y be two functions. Are f1 and f2 functional related? So these will be functionally related if their Jacobian vanishes with respect to x and y. So the Jacobian of f1 and f2 is 0. Okay, you can see it very easily. Okay, so this will be 0. Jacobian of f1 means del f1 f2 upon del xy. Okay, so that will come out to be 0, and hence this f1 and f2 are functionally related. This is the answer to this question. Next question is u is equal to x upon y, v equal to x plus y upon x minus y. Then find whether u and v are functionally related or not. If related, find a relation between them. So yes, again this, if you find out the Jacobian of u and v with respect to x and y, you will find that its value will be 0. So that is an indication that u and v are functionally related. Okay. Also from v, what is v? This is v. From v, if I take y common, okay, from here. So what will be the inside? X upon y plus 1, and if I take y common, x upon y minus 1. So y with y cancels. So what is this? This is equal to x upon y is what? It is u. So therefore it is u plus 1 and u minus 1. So we can see from here that v equal to u plus 1 upon u minus 1. So this is the relationship between them. There could be situations that no, the Jacobian will not be equal to 0. In those cases you will say that And these are not functionally dependent, rather these are functionally independent. So thank you very much.